Hi everyone, I hope that you all are good and fine. So in today's session, we will solve this question number 12 of exercise 5.1. Question number 12 is saying students is stating that you have to find the values of the angle x, y and z in each of the following figures. Okay, this is figure number 1, segment number 1 and this is segment number 2. As you can see students here, the given these values x, y, z you have to calculate. Okay, here similarly also in segment number 2 x, y, z you have to calculate. So the question is very simple students. Whatever concept that I have delivered to you, based on that only these questions will be solved. Okay, apart from that, let me tell you one more thing, that for solving these questions we are having a number of method. Okay, so doesn't matter, you can adopt any one of them. Okay, like I will tell you theoretically how many methods are there, or I will basically discuss one or two method. Okay, and I will solve it only using one method, so you can adopt any of the method in which you are comfortable. Okay, now let us start this solution students. So here in the first figure, as you can see, this angle students, this angle has been given 55. Okay, so as you can see students, see this angle is vertically opposite angle of this angle x. Is it or not? Can you see it students? See this angle y, this angle 55 and x are vertically opposite angles. Okay, so this angle will be equal to x. So here I will write directly solution. Here we will write x equals to 55 degree. In reason we will write here vertically opposite angles. Okay, here we will write vertically opposite angles. That's all. See, wherever whatever properties you are applying students, you have to write that property. Like suppose here I applied x is equal to 55, then you cannot write it directly that x is equal to 55. Okay, why? Because maybe that you copied from somewhere. So if you are writing it from your understanding, then you must write it with reason. If x is equal to 55, then y. Okay, so I have written the reason x is equal to 55. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. So similarly students, see here you can see that this is a straight line, right? This is the straight line, right? So this angle 55 degree and angle z will be equal to 180 degree or not? They are linear pair because both the angles are on the straight line. Okay, so here I am going to write angle z plus 55 is equal to 180 degree, right? Why? Here we will write in the reason linear pair. What we will write in the reason students? Linear pair. Now this is simple equation in one variable, simple equation that I taught you in the previous chapter students. You can see this is the variable, this is constant and this is constant. So if you have to remove 55, so it is plus 55, so we will have to subtract 55. Since we will subtract, okay, step by step I will explain you. Here we will write angle z as it is, plus 55 as it is. Here we will write minus 55. Why? To remove this 55 plus 55 है ना. Since I subtracted minus 55 to the left of the equation, so to maintain the equilibrium of the equation students, we will have to subtract from right side also by same and equal amount है ना. तो इधर भी हम 55 माइनस करेंगे. Okay, now this 55 and this 55 plus minus will cancel each other students. We will left with only how much? Angle z है ना. And if you will subtract this, then 180 minus 55, here you will have 5, here you will have 2, here you will have 1. So angle z will be equal to, this one will be equal to 125, this one is calculated 55. Okay, now see students, since angle z and y, angle y and z, are they vertically opposite angles students? Angle z and y, are they vertically opposite angles? Yes. And as I told you at the beginning that there are number of method to solve one question or to find one value है ना. तो यहाँ पे देखो ये और ये दोनों भी linear pair है ना. तो this x plus y will be equal to 180 degree. From there you can calculate 125 degree, and you can directly also write, see angle x and angle y and angle z are vertically opposite angles, है कि नहीं है? So here we will write directly, since angle z is equal to angle y, है ना, is equal to how much? 125 degree, है ना, and in reason we will write vertically opposite angles. ठीक है, you have to write completely. So this was your first segment. Now moving to next segment number 2 students. Okay, now here see we are having x, here y and here z. So one by one we will calculate all these values, है ना. Now see here this 40 and this z. Okay, don't see this line. ये लाइन को हमने नहीं देखना है, सिर्फ ये लाइन को देखो और ये लाइन को देखो. तो ये 40 डिग्री और ये एंगल z, आर दे नॉट वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स? यस, दे आर वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स. ओके, सो हियर वी विल राइट इन सेगमेंट नंबर 2 स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम सॉल्विंग सेगमेंट नंबर 2 हियर, है ना. सो हियर वी विल राइट एंगल z इज इक्वल टू 40 डिग्री, एंड इन रीजन वी विल राइट वर्टिकली opposite angles. Okay, you have to write it completely here students. I am adopting shortcut method. Okay, it is done. One value we got, z is equal to how much? Z is equal to 40 degree. Now moving to next, see here students, see this, is this not a straight line? See this, look at my hand, is this a straight line? Okay, so this 40 degree, okay, then this x degree and 25 degree will be equal to how much? 180 degree. Why? Because it is a straight line, so it will be linear pair. So angle 40 degree plus x plus 25 degree will be equal to 180 degree. In the reason you will write there linear pair. Okay, done. Now you can solve this equation. It is linear variable in one simple equation students, है ना. यहाँ पे इसे सॉल्व करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, ये दोनों को भी जोड़ देंगे. 40 plus 25 it will give you 65. So x plus 65 will give you 180. Now as we solved this equation, in same manner we will solve this equation, है ना. So x plus 65 and here minus 65. Okay, 180 minus 65. I have subtracted 65 in both side of the equation. यहाँ पे अब 65 प्लस माइनस कैंसिल हो जाएगा. ठीक है, इट विल गिव यू x इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच स्टूडेंट्स? इफ यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 180 माइनस 65, हियर यू विल गेट 5, हियर यू विल गेट हाउ मच? 7 minus 6 minus 1, and here remaining 1. So how much you will get? X is equal to students 115 degree. Where is x? Here is x. Okay, now you got the value of x and z. Now which one is remaining? Y value is remaining. Okay, now look at my hand students. See this line, okay, and this line are cutting at this point, right? So this complete angle, this I am talking about angle x plus 25 will be equal to z, will be equal to y or not? Why? Because both are vertically opposite angle. Look at me, my hand once again. फिर से देखो यहाँ पे angle x plus 25 will be equal to angle y. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angle. So here we will write angle y. You can write here. You can use here angle. Okay, students, as we are finding out the angles only. Okay, so you can write here angle y is equal to angle x plus 25 degree. Now just we found out angle x is equal to how much? 150 degree. So we will write here, or angle y is equal to, we will put this value angle x value, है ना. angle x का जो अभी हमने वैल्यू निकाला वो यहाँ पे रखेंगे. तो कितना निकाला हमने? 150 डिग्री प्लस 25 डिग्री एज यूजुअल. ओके, नाउ इफ यू विल ऐड देम स्टूडेंट्स, 115 डिग्री and 25 degree, you will get 140 degree, right? Here you will get 140 degree. Since here we will write, since angle y is equal to 140 degree. So here you got x is equal to 115 degree, y is equal to 140 degree, and z is equal to 40 degree. Here you got x is equal to 55 degree. Okay, y is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 125 degree. So this was your question number 12 students. I hope you might have understood, and thank you for connecting with me.